What's up you guys, welcome back to another great recipe video. Okay, so what we are making the jumbo shrimp masala curry. It's gonna be homemade. If you go to a grocery store and you find shrimp over there, these are 2 pounds of jumbo shrimp peeled with the tail on. So this is the tail of the shrimp and this is the whole jumbo shrimp. So these are all the ingredients. We will intact with those and we will be using these ingredients to make our masala curry for the jumbo shrimp. So let's move in our pan. This recipe goes to the pan. So here is our frying pan. We will take, don't worry about the brand, just check the organic coconut oil. Take organic coconut oil. We are working with the 2 pound of, so I'll be putting, this goes right there. So this is 1 whole spoon of coconut oil. This is all organic and this will be the second one. So you need 2 whole big spoons of coconut oil. I like the smell of coconut. Alright, so once the oil is melted in your pan, this is whole smashed white onion. Okay, so we will take a wooden spoon. This is a non-stick pan, so wooden spoon. We will add our onion, white smashed. Put white onion, whole big one, in a food processor and just process it. So this is gonna be a smashed, or you can say processed white onion. Spread the onion for now and just wait for the onion to turn golden brown. So as you guys can see, the onion has turned into light brown color. I'll take fresh minced, or you can say chopped garlic. I'll add 1 whole big spoon right here and then half of it. So 1.5 spoon of fresh garlic goes in there. We will take turmeric powder and we will add 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder. Again guys, it's the same procedure. We will take some carom seeds. These are carom seeds, half tablespoon of carom seeds goes right there. Let me show you the home grounded spices. Okay, so it has the, let me show you guys. So it has the cumin, it has the cloves, and it has the cinnamon. So I would say if you have the powder, add half tablespoon of each powder. Okay, so cumin, the cloves, and the cinnamon all goes right here. Perfectly done. So here what we will do guys, we will just stir fry this now for another 5 to 10 minutes. So the onion gonna change its color to a little bit darkish brown. So as you guys can see, it's turned into a little bit darkish brown. So our onion, our garlic, our turmeric powder, our cumin, our clove, our cinnamon, they all are fried. Okay, here's the next and easy part for you guys. Okay, this is 2 fresh tomato puree. Add this. These are curry leaves. You can use the fresh one or you can use the dried one. I have the dried ones. I'll add at least 6 to 7 of those. Here I have the fresh grounded green chilies. I'll take 2 tablespoons. Goes right there. Right. This is the garam masala. If you guys don't know about it, I would suggest Google this, how to make curry masala with the garam masala. So this is the garam masala. I'll add 1.5 tablespoon of garam masala. If you really can't find the garam masala, I would suggest go to the grocery store and get the whole 5 seasoning powder. So it's gonna be a kind of similarity in there for the garam masala. I'll take some salt, 1 tablespoon. I'll take the red chilies, 1 tablespoon. Here are our mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon. Right, so we will stir fry this until it forms a perfect smooth gravy. I have 1 more ingredient to add in there. Let me just add it right now so you guys know. This is all the curry's masalas in here at the moment. Good. So here I have the tomato paste, organic one. I'll take 1 large spoon and I'll add it here. 1 large spoon, and then you will have to add 1 more large spoon of the tomato paste. It all goes there. Okay, so after adding the paste, just stir fry your curry masala and fry it for at least 5 to 10 minutes. So all these ingredients, they get cooked perfectly. It's a thick sauce right now at the moment, but this is what we need. So we will be stir frying this for next 5 to 10 minutes, guys. So as you guys can see, it's been 5 minutes. Our whole curry masala is on the thick side, and this is what we need. So we will take our 2 pound of jumbo shrimp right here, and we will just land all the shrimps right in there. You don't have to add anything to it. You just have to now stir fry the shrimp in this curry sauce, as you guys can see. Why I have kept the masala dry? Just because once the shrimp is ready, so all the masalas are covering the shrimp, you know, so it's gonna have a masala coating on the shrimps. So here you go. If you see closely, this is all seafood, but the aroma and the freshness of the masalas and the ingredients, it's all in here. The curry leaves, oh my god, the coconut oil, oh wow. So for now we will cover this with the lid on top, and we will let it on a medium flame at least for 15 minutes. So it's on a medium flame with the lid on top. Masala is ready. We just added the 2 pound of jumbo shrimp in there. So we will wait another 15 minutes. In 15 minutes of the shrimp curry masala, it was on a medium flame, and I have stirred this whole mixture like 2 times in between. So this is the 3rd time. The curry masala, the aroma, the fresh shrimp curry masala. You guys see the shrimp size, how it has changed its color, and the curry, the sweetness, the spiciness of the curry. Oh wow, man, this is the best curry masala. The curry leaves will give you the perfect aroma for this recipe. How wonderful it looks. It has the curry. So let me dish this out for you guys. Let me show you the dish. I have made some homemade white rice. This is a regular chopped salad with carrots, onions, jalapenos, and tomatoes. I'm dishing the curry out right now. So we can turn off this stove. Thank you for your services. So dishing out the shrimp curry right here in a plate. Oh my god, look at the masala on the shrimps. This is what we need, guys. This is what we need. The fresh marination, the fresh cooking, the fresh vegetable use, the fresh ingredient use. This is all what we need. It has the coconut oil. It can cover all South India for the recipe, and the masala, it can cover whole India just by the ingredients, you know. I'm just telling you. So I'm dishing out the fresh shrimp masala curry in my plate. So I have dished out the jumbo curry shrimp. I'm taking some cilantro, maybe a little bit. So this is a little bit too much, and we will just sprinkle, just hand dress it, you know, for the beauty out of it. We have to make the beauty. So this is our beauty of shrimp curry masala right here, guys. Okay, this is enough. Here you guys, the perfect shrimp curry masala recipe is ready. I have just got the ingredients. I have prepared them, and it took me literally maybe 30 minutes to make this protein packed shrimp curry masala right here. So this is, let's go to the moment of truth now. So guys, the moment of truth, right? This is our shrimp curry masala shrimp here. It's still steaming. The first bite. Oh my. Oh my god. Tail is off. The curry, it has its sweetness in there. Oh my god. The best ever curry masala recipe I have shared with you guys. It has all the flavors in there. I can eat, this is 2 pounds, right? Half is still over there. If I make this recipe, I can eat 5 pounds of it all at once. Trust me, once you try this recipe, you'll be like me. Okay, let me try this with the white rice. So here is some curry sauce. Oh my god, it's hot. On top of the white rice. This is our curry masala shrimp. Okay, goes right there. Take a bite. I mean, make a bite from your fingers. Oh, I used to live in Malaysia and now I live in America, but I used to live in Malaysia. There was an Indian restaurant. He used to make shrimp curry masala. Trust me, I have taught that guy as well. I used to ask him, what do you put in your ingredients, you know? And he used to tell me this, and this, that. And I used to tip him extra just to know what recipe goes in there. It was maybe 15 years ago, but here I am presenting to you guys the same recipe, even better than that, right here on my table. Oh my, has done his perfect job, guys. The curry leaf, this is the whole shrimp. Wow, wherever you live, you don't have to go to India just to have this recipe. Indians, they are the best in the masalas. My cameraman is like, can I have a bite? I'm like, no, not right now. Let me finish this clip. Anyway guys, I'll be eating this. I can make another 10 minutes of video just by eating. The thing is, do make this recipe with the shrimp. It's best. The masala is great. The shrimp, wonderful. There is no seafood smell to it, you know. The masala, the spices, the fresh stuff, everything I have shared with you guys, it has blended all the flavors in, and you will get a perfect, nice, easy, smooth recipe. It has a little bit kick of the spice, I mean, but this is the wonderful recipe, guys. Do try this recipe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I'll see you guys on the next one. Please subscribe the channel, like the video, and I'll have tons and tons of recipes coming up ahead. So why not to join from now? So like and subscribe. Bye bye for now. Oh my god, the masala shrimp. This is so good. The masala is so juicy.